Hey everyone, OLQs are the most important qualities that a person must have to become an officer. So today in this video we are going to discuss about the 15 officer-like qualities. Let's get started. The 15 OLQs are divided on the basis of their characteristics and the way they are related to our human body. So the first one is planning and organization, that is closely related to our mind. Under this category, the qualities are effective intelligence, reasoning ability, organizing ability, power of expression. The second category is the social adjustment, that is closely related to our heart. The qualities that are a part of this group are social adaptability, cooperation, and sense of responsibility. The third division is social effectiveness, that is closely related to our guts. The qualities under this category are initiative, self-confidence, speed of decision, group influencing ability, and liveliness. The fourth and the final category is dynamics. It's closely related to our limbs and physical strength. So the qualities are determination, courage, and stamina. The qualities that come under the category of dynamics and planning and organization are easy to learn and mold in a short span of time. But the qualities under social effectiveness are very difficult to mold and inculcate in a short span of time. The reason being that the qualities under dynamic and planning and organization are controlled and executed by conscious mind, which is easy to train. But the other two category qualities are controlled by semi-subconscious and subconscious mind, which isn't under our control and has developed into the way it is over years, since our childhood. A person to be an officer should be sound and good at social effectiveness and social adjustment, as the other traits are trainable. So if we rank the qualities according to me, then I would give the first position to social adjustment, second position to social effectiveness, third to planning and organization, and the fourth position to dynamic qualities. But all this does not mean that you should be a superhero with all the supernatural powers. The SSBs are always looking for a person who has majority of the OLQs which are difficult to learn and inculcate in a short span of time, like sense of responsibility and social adjustment. I hope you all have understood it. This video is a part of the playlist called as SSB Simplified, which will help all the defense aspirants learn the tips and tricks related to SSB for free. So consider visiting our channel and subscribing for more informative and useful updates and videos. Thank you.